Want to know if your Apple Watch is charging? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to tell if it's powering up the right way. So, make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you find this helpful. Now, start by placing your Apple Watch on the wireless charger. You'll see a charging animation pop up immediately. If your battery is below 10%, the charging screen will appear in red. If it's above 10%, the screen will be green instead. To check the exact battery percentage while charging, simply tap the lightning icon on the screen. That'll give you a precise reading. Another way to confirm your watch is charging is by looking at the watch face. A green lightning icon will appear at the top edge of the screen if it's receiving power. You can also press the side button to open the control center. If the battery percentage is shown in green, your Apple Watch is definitely charging. And that's it, simple and quick. Let me know in the comments if this helped you out. See you in the next one.